All right, guys. So first thing first, I've had these glasses for a full day now, and I must say, um, one of my let's just say the top three things I like about these glasses is being able to talk on the phone for one. I think that's man. I don't have to pick my phone up. I don't have to put it in my earbuds. Man, that's one of my favorite features. Just really being able to talk on the phone. Number two, being able to listen to music. So I can basically just throw these glasses on, and of course I got prescriptions coming for these, but I can throw these glasses on when I'm walking my dog, and I don't have to put earbuds in and listen to my music. I can still listen to music and still be aware of my surroundings. That's number two. And honestly, number three is just how comfortable they are on my face. I don't feel like it's heavy. It don't feel heavy at all. I wear Ray-Ban glasses a lot. I have probably like 6 pair of Ray-Ban glasses because I do wear glasses. So I'm always wearing Ray-Bans anyway. These my Ray-Bans are my basically my favorite brand, even though I'm not sponsored by Ray-Ban. I just like the cosmetic looks of Ray-Bans. Three things that I don't like about these glasses is the fact that I have to carry this thing around with me everywhere I go. This glass case. You basically have to carry this thing around like a battery pack because you want to be able to charge it frequently. If you know you're gonna be using it all the time, so if you lose this, you basically lose your ability to charge your glasses, and there's no other alternative methods other than going to buy another one of these. The price for one of these, I'll put it right here. If you lose it, I have to go buy another one. Number two, I don't like the fact that if I want to go live, I can't just ask the AI to make me go live. I have to actually get my phone and go through all of these settings on my phone for me to actually go live. That right there, I think should have been integrated within one of the meta commands. I really don't like the fact that I have to do that. And then number three, man, uh, just the charge time. If you're using these a lot, so just to wear this around yesterday, I took my dog on a, I took my dog on a, on like a 3 mile walk, 3 to 4 mile walk, just to see how much use I can get out of these just from listening to music. I called my wife, talked on the phone. I ran with the dog just to see how comfortable it was to, actually kind of, go from walking to running or run after my dog. So I did a lot of different things yesterday with these glasses on. I did some jumping jacks. I did push-ups and stuff like that just to get some wear out of these glasses to really test them out. They fit very well on my face. They don't fall off easy. I can shake my head, jump up and down. Like I said, I did jumping jacks, and they're very form-fitting to my face. They don't hurt my nose. I had read or seen another content creator say that the bridge of his nose was hurting after wearing these. Also, I heard another person say that his ears was hurting, his ear gristle was hurting after wearing these glasses. And I must say, man, I haven't had any of those issues. And I literally didn't take these off yesterday. I wore these all the way up until I went to sleep. It felt like my normal pair of glasses, to be honest with you. So I'm looking forward to getting my lenses put in them. I did buy the transition lenses. As you can kind of tell, um, it's not super dark. Even though I'm outside in the truck, it kind of transitions depending on your lighting. So if I step outside to direct sunlight, it'll be harder to see my eyes. And if I go inside, it'll just be clear. And I do have some transition lenses coming. So once those come, I'll be able to do a review on those as well. I do like the finish of these glasses. It really doesn't look like, unless you're looking for glasses that record you. Let's just say this: if you out here being suspicious, you're gonna notice somebody with some smart glasses on. But if you're just out here being normal in your everyday life, me walking up on you or walking behind you or going grocery shopping with these glasses on won't bother you in the least. Now, of course, I can see where these could be a privacy issue or privacy concern. But the way I look at it is, man, everything nowadays recording you. I mean, if I take my dog for a walk, basically everybody has a doorbell camera, everybody has a garage camera. So you're getting recorded one way or another. If you walk into a grocery store, the grocery store is under surveillance 24/7. So I don't see how people could really just be spazzing out over you wearing these glasses. The good thing about these glasses is if you are recording something, there is a light indicator that pops on to let you know, or to let anybody know that's looking at you, hey, this person might be recording you. So just for example, if I say, hey Meta, record video, so now you see that light pops on. So now that I'm recording, anybody that's in my area that notices me will also notice that light. Hey Meta, stop recording. And see, once I stop recording, you'll see that that light will go off. The same thing happens if I take a picture. So if I say, hey Meta, take a picture, you see that flash? That flash happens on that light. So that's one of the things that will happen if you're recording somebody, or if you're taking a picture of them with these glasses on. It's an LED light indicator to kind of let you know that, hey, this person might be creeping. So as long as you don't see those LED indicators on, you probably basically don't have nothing to worry about. One thing about these glasses is if you are covering up the camera in any kind of way, it will not record or it will not take pictures. So those are two things that you can't do without. You can't cover up the glass, the lenses, and then that's it record, because it just won't. It'll just let you know. It'll prompt you and say, hey, your lenses are covered. It did that originally when I put these on because I had my hat on, and basically my hat was covering my lens in some kind of way. And it said, hey, your lens is covered. So I had to take my hat off just to get this to record. Um, Other than that, man, I've been getting a lot of good wear out of these. I would love to come back and review these, let's just say 30 days later, just especially after I get my lenses and stuff like that and go some more places. I haven't taken a lot of pictures with these, but the initial setup of this was pretty cool. You basically have to download the View app, and as you download that View app, it'll take you through all the steps. I have a video basically unboxing and installing all the software for these glasses so that you can wear them. So you can check that out. If you are looking to purchase these glasses, I would say get the transition lenses. That way, if you if you don't need a prescription and you just want these glasses and you just want these glasses on all the time, get the glasses that are transition lenses, so that if you're inside, they're clear, and if you're outside, they look like shades. And enjoy the glasses. If you get these glasses, I'm looking forward to the Orion to come up. But my name is Carl. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who are looking to get these glasses. Y'all have a good one. Peace.